Welcome back to a new episode of Digital Trends. This week we are looking at retro tech.
To display DressX digital garments, artist Hanna Zaruma chose a couple of old LCD screen cell phones, mixing the futuristic fashion style with anachronistic devices. In Old TV, artist Kloop replaced the head of a human figure with an old CRT TV belonging to the past technologic generation. Looking like an old tech magazine, VEGAPUNK S2 by artist LASTNIGHT Design shows a screaming man leaning on retro tech devices such as old PCs and control machines. Captured with CRT TV and finished with digital tools, Kiss Me by Ina Barre shows the animation of what looks like the movement of a gigantic mouth. In One More Nap by blueinversion, a glowing baby is sleeping soundly in an abandoned and screenless CRT television, unaware of the functions of the old device. Special Floppy Disk is a glitched animation by Connie Digital aka BBT615. The artist here celebrates the old recording technology. VEGAPUNK Sticker is a GIF created by artist thesarahshow using a 1991 vintage Sony video painter and analog glitch device. The pink and shiny phone in Jackie's cell phone by American-based 3D artist and photographer Draven fluctuates over a mysterious hand which offers the device to the viewer as a heavenly present. The Poison Chalice by mojokoworld is a colorful mashup of historical and contemporary ideas and imagery, including retro technology devices. Filled with retro vibes, CYBERSUN by Genuine Human Art pictures an 80s-style man head with aviator sunglasses, a tropical sunset, and a retro car radio.
Thank you all for watching. This episode was curated by Filippo and myself and MoCDA in partnership with KnownOrigin.